Okay, hey you guys, here we are at Fort Point. This is an iconic location for people coming to San Francisco. We got the Golden Gate Bridge, Alcatraz, downtown, all the sailboats coming in and out of the bay. And this is a place that I have a lot of memories. I remember coming here with my grandparents. My grandfather was stationed at the Presidio. My dad grew up in the Presidio. I was born here in San Francisco. This is a place that many people want to live. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. And a lot of times people would see this place, look at the price tag of what it is to live in a house here, and they think there's no way I could live here. But if you, in your heart, if you have a passion to live here, if this is your place that you want to make your mark, then set your mind on that and then make it happen. It can happen for anyone. Remember, I came back from Portugal 2013 plus or minus in that time with zero. And I could afford a house here. You guys can make it happen. If you, my kids, I want you to think like this. You're gonna grow up and you're gonna have a bit more, right? But you gotta have the passion and the hunger to make it happen. You can make it happen. There's so many ways I could help families establish themselves in San Francisco. There's all kinds of strategies on how to make that happen. So I'm not gonna sit here and talk about one. I'm gonna sit here and tell you, if you wanna live here in this beautiful city, this iconic place, you can make it happen. You could go surfing in Fort Point. You could go enjoy downtown. You could go to Chinatown. You could go out to Alcatraz. You could have your morning run on the Golden Gate Bridge. We see people running down here to Fort Point, one after the other. This could be your lifestyle. Make it happen. Don't be afraid. Don't let your pride get in the way of you making it happen. Don't let your fear get in the way. Don't let your fear of missing out, or your fear that you missed it already, that it's too late. You know, it doesn't matter whatever age you are. Colonel Sanders was in his 60s when he started making money. We all know stories like this, but the point is, all of us can make it happen. In today's world, we can create a community where we mutually benefit each other. We make it happen for each other. Make this happen for you. All right, like and subscribe to the channel. We'll be coming out with better content, more content. Maybe we'll be surfing here. I should have brought my surfboard. I could have actually caught a couple novelty waves for you guys here. But it's a beautiful day. I want you guys to get out there and make it happen. We're here for you. Ask questions. We'll get into a community. We'll figure out the nuts and bolts of how we're gonna make it happen for everyone. That's how we do it for our clients. That's how we do it for our friends. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna create a community. We're gonna make it happen for everyone. All right, let's do it.